the shepherd.
was Issa Rae. She was like, bro, like, you feel the fire right now, and to be honest,
He's still
too hot for the people who even love you.
Because I woke up and I looked at my clock and I thought it said 6:07, and I was feeding your brother and I was burping him, and I went to go back to my phone to set an alarm to get up for 7. That just said 7:23.
That's you. I was up. I was
like,
I was ready.
it's
to go.
7:23.
I was like, well, where's she at?
I was like, we're supposed to be leaving right now. I done threw your brother on your dad, and yeah.
At the coffee shops, I'm like, oh,
Cute or whatever.
Yeah, you got the best blueprint in Hollywood to me. She mind her business. You know, she puts out dope quality. Right. Yeah, he's denying himself in a lot of ways. Because what if he likes a woman, but you know that woman doesn't like the arrangement that he has with the mother of his child? He said, okay, well you gotta go because I care about the parenting.
Hey y'all. Excuse my hair, my face, and everything. It's been a minute. On my way to get Samara from her first day, and I'm excited. We were so late this morning, we really didn't get any video, pictures, like none of that stuff. So I am on the way to go get her. Hopefully her hair still looks good and she's still cute. So I can take some like pictures. I'm gonna get a little bit of video of her so you guys can see her. But I officially have a senior in high school and a newborn baby, which is so fucking crazy. So yeah, this is gonna be exciting. And I'm glad she decided to go back to school because she was going online at first. She didn't want to go like physically in person. And here in Florida, there is, or the county that I live in, they offer like full virtual only high school. I'm not sure if it's all the other grades too, but anyway, she was opting for that because she had a really like weird year last year. So I'm so glad she decided to go back because like your senior year is like it. Most of the time, I don't know about anybody else's, but my senior year was lit. Even though I did a half a year because I graduated early, it was still popping. Prom was great. Graduation, all the like senior activities. So I'm glad she went and she's gonna experience all that stuff. You guys can see it from her perspective. I believe she's gonna vlog a lot of this stuff. Her vlog is under YouTube, obviously, and the name is Samara Lynn, SAHMIRALYNN. You'll see her. You put in the name, you'll she's like one of the first that pops up because not really many people have her name anyway. But yeah, this is gonna be a great year. Word. Oh, what's that? That's a senior? Oh, what is this? No. Step back out the car, please. I need my video. No, I need my video.
We could do it after.
I want my video right here in front of the school. Can you please open the door? We do this. Nope. Step out the car. I need my video. Thank you.
Go home.
We are gonna go home. What's that? Is that
My hair's blowing like you want to do this right here.
Nobody. It looks cute. What are you talking about? Stop overthinking it. It's a
Okay.
Hey guys.
Hey guys.
So
Right.
today is college tour number 1. We're going to Miami U, and we're gonna check out the dorms and the campus and see if she likes it there, and hopefully, get some information.
Right,
Or whatever. But I know that she also wants to go to Miami Design or something like that. Huh? Of course, she got her headphones.
Miami International.
Yeah, Miami International. Exactly.
That's the
3.
one. That's the one that's in the design district.
I think
That's the one that's in the design district.
She don't listen to you.
Clearly not. Because she wants to go to school for fashion, so I'm kind of like, I don't know why we're going to Miami University, but hey, the more the merrier. And hopefully in October we'll go see FIT. So yeah, lots and lots to do. I had to fight him for the baby. Like what? All I wanted to do was push him.
Let me just ask him.
I just wanted to push him. That's it. It's easier to push him. Anyway, we made it. We parked. Okay, she's asking. I heard you. Because we're not just going to walk in the street. Am not. So we get that a lot. Thank you. Anyway. Where's y'all sisters? No. It's pretty over here though. Coral Gables. Hella far. Oh. Sorry. I had the baby out listening. I got you, Papa. Anyway.
Walk down here towards the library.
Okay. You know where the... Oh, it says undergraduate admission. Event. I don't know. Whatever. We're just going to follow. Y'all want to see? Hey, Papa. Read the thingy. Yeah, hold on. Do you see where it says library?
Hold on. Hold please. 1 second.
It's just... Where? It's not a... Missing. So like those are freshman dorms, but they're communal, and then I think there's another freshman one over there somewhere that's more like apartment style. But of course this one is talking about I want to do independent living. Not your freshman year, baby. So yeah, hopefully she figures it out. Oh, good. That's pretty. Big old pool in the middle of the campus is so nice. Huh? Yeah, when we come back though, like I don't want to hold up the tour. I'm finna come visit.
No, you're not.
I'm finna look at this.
On my campus dining.
It just dawned on me that we are. But I can't.
So this is dining. Hi. Listen.
I wanna
This
cry.
is dining. I think.
Okay, but if we catch up, she's gonna tell us. Don't think.
Just
Okay.
Look at this table.
It's like I want her to go wherever she wants to go.
This is not. I like
I
this.
just
I
am
get
like-
to live lavish,
Oh
bruh.
my
Instead of living in a little box. I'm not
God.
doing that. I get all the amenities.
Okay, Pooh, you can get a scholarship. I mean, like an internship later. Okay, I get it. Okay, I get it. All right, come on, let's catch up. Because we gotta catch up. Well, I don't want to stop. I don't want to put a pin in the tour. We're coming.
Okay, so this right here is Lakeside Patio. So in Lakeside Patio, one of my favorite things, on that stage right there, every Thursday we have something called Patio Jams, and the Frost students get to show off their skills. And they go, everyone brings out their blankets, they come eat here, they get lunch, and it's always like packed, and everyone just, music is really a big part of campus. Like when you're walking around, like you always hear music playing, and like it just really keeps like the dopamine levels like really high. Everyone's just like happy because you know music is everywhere. So this right here is our Hurricane Food Court. So the Hurricane Food Court.
What are they talking about? Who knows? Okay, well, we were in front of the dining court and I was trying to get some food, but we're headed back inside because there was a hurricane alert. So, you know, the joys of living in Miami. This is what happens. You won't ever get an alert like this in New York. Not even for a full snowstorm. So, we'll update you guys and let you know what happens. Nothing really, because look at the freaking skies, right? So we're in the admissions. The tour is actually over. They won't let the students do the tour.
I really want to take a picture.
Wow, there's like a hurricane watch. So Samara wants to take a picture and then bounce. I think we're done. We can figure this out another day. 7 is sleep. And yeah. How did you feel about your first college campus tour? Even though we didn't go on the full tour.
It was nice.
Yeah, it was straight. I think the campus is really nice, so I want to see the other one. What is it called? You said Miami International?
Yeah, but they don't have dorms.
It's in a design district. But they do have campus living, right? Like,
No.
they don't have off-campus.
They don't offer.
They don't even have off-campus places that they offer discounts at?
I mean, I think so.
Let's find out. But yeah, hopefully we can get a tour of that one next. It's in the design district. It's real pretty over there. So yeah, we'll see. All right, I'm eating what I'm not supposed to be eating, and
Exactly. Like,
okay, bye. Good morning. Hi. Hi. Good morning.
Good morning.
Oh man. So somebody's birthday. I said it's somebody's birthday.
They don't have a name on it.
Nope. Pick one.
Pick one, huh?
Mm-hmm. Ta-da. We need to clean our room. Nothing. That's what you want to do?
Beach what?
Well, I mean, the other one was this.
Water.
Or not. I mean, I know you wasn't feeling good, so I wasn't really going to press you about doing too much.
I mean, either one. Need some air.
Okay. Well, you picked beach, so I guess that's where we're going.
You said we pick beach?
You picked it.
Okay. Which beach?
That's your choice. It's your birthday. Exactly. So, your choice.
What's the weather today? Goddamn hot.
Yeah. You gonna pick one or no?
No, it just surprised me.
Child, you know where I'm gonna go.
Well, surprise. Surprise.
Good night.
Need the phantom, and you know business getting handled. Wonder where you at, I just might hold you for ransom. No, that's something your nigga can't fathom, oh man. He just bought a bar, man. He thought that would keep around, but he thought wrong. Nothing at all, that's what she got on.
They both for me? Are they both for me? Huh? Only one, right? All right, well, cheers. Cheers again. I guess since I added you, it's taking $4 a month. That was kind of renew for the year.
to get lucky.
Hey, Papa.
How's he still a pimp in?
Bruh.
Right.
What color?
finish him in the back. You have to flip him
get his
over.
neck.
Let me get his neck too.
3 months.
See if we can make you brown skin today.
Happy birthday.
Jelly.
Oh, that's so cute, actually.
Swear, can you pay attention to
I can see.
how you recording though?
I promise you,
Get
it's
everything.
perfect.
Bubble, bubble. There you go to get the neck. Yeah, you like a king, right? Little Prince vibes.
Rub his face. White.
Yeah, it's okay. The more on his face, the better. There you go.
Open his outfit.
Bottom of your feet too.
Open his outfit.
Oh, look at that little. Look at the little.
Now you don't want to smile?
Peekaboo. Well, you're holding it back.
That is so slow. Say just like that.
Just like this, just open.
Snap one of this. He ain't crying, so I'm hungry.
Me too.
Yep. Yeah. Ooh. Baby, I love you.
Alright, both you guys, she said that, why are you laughing at me?
I don't know.
She said that I could get both, so I put both outside.
Thank you.
And how long I have to bottom? Hey, birthday boy.
Water's warm too.
I'm gonna bring you to the water. Here. And your son matches
I brought
you.
my sand to the beach, huh?
Hold on. Look at that. Hold on. Tie this. Oh.
Hey, Papa. We at the beach.
Yeah, hold that.
Are you like waterproof jacket? Oh, we didn't get no swimmers? We didn't get no swimmers?
Hey, Ma.
There goes Susan.
Baby's first beach day.
First time at the beach.
Let me see. Put his feet in the water. Right here. It's fine. Hi, Papa. Ooh. Oh, my God. Mommy can't even bend down.
Water's warm too. It might be inside.
Ooh.
It's okay. It's all right. I ain't gonna lose it.
Ooh. Little.
Uh-oh, big one.
Hey, Papa.
So that's a lot, right?
Yes.
That was a lot.
Hey, Papa.
That was a lot.
Hi. Daddy got you
also-
wet? Daddy got you wet?
Sandwiches in the sand?
What? Oh, they no.
Y'all playing, I'm gonna go eat.
You got me? Virgos? Virgos outside. Got the second floor.
Cheers. What is it? It's the nutty?
Tastes sweet.
The nutty cracker?
Like this.
The nutty cracker? Don't say something like goddamn nutty cracker.
How you know?
Why would you be loud? Trying to keep this boy asleep. Because he is Aggie. That's right, big sis. Protect him. She the only one chilling. Relaxed. Relaxed. I'm not from Jamaica. But what's up, dog? Hey, pick one. Don't look, just pick one real fast. Hurry up.
I want to hug and pick one.
You sound like you need to get back into bed.
Mm-hmm.
And now you woke him up.
You was up when I came downstairs.
Pick one, hurry.
What?
This is why I don't play nothing with you. This is why I don't.
You told me to pick one.
No,
right?
but this is why I don't do nothing with you.
I'm looking to pick one.
No, now you're gonna choose left or right. That's
What?
it. Choose left or right.
Left.
Okay.
What was left? What side is left?
This is left.
Oh. What's that? The Little Mermaid at home? Mm-hmm. Okay. Let's cuddle. Put it on.
No, can you move? I'm not dead.
There's only one more in your hand.
This is for this. You missed out on something else. Okay. Yep, left or right? Oh, wait. Let me show them. It's upside down.
Now which one is left or right?
It's still my left or right? Left or right?
Left.
Get it?
There's no money in it. Burgers and fries? Mm-hmm. That's dinner?
Yep.
Wait, what was my other option?
It don't matter.
What was the other option?
It doesn't matter.
I want to see the other option.
Why? Could you not get
I
that?
want to see the other option.
So?
Let me see the other option.
No. Why you so black, man?
I was in the sun, babe. Bring up the brightness. You see that glow? See that glow? Let me see the other option.
No.
Babe. Come on. I don't
You
know if I
can't-
can take red meat right now.
Oh.
I don't know if I...
Oh. The other option was not going to be any better.
Really?
Yep.
Was it hot dogs and beans?
Yep.
Ooh.
Raymond and I are no longer together. So I am free and I'm happy and I am doing my thing.
Decided because we have a little cooking base. I'm whispering because he's trying to put the baby to sleep. But the skin is good. I'm going to make that, I think, with some potatoes and broccoli. Oh, I got the lobster too. He wanted it. It's his birthday. I'll give him what he wants. And not take him to the movie stuff. He missed out on that one. If he would have saw that, he would have been so tight. But I'll probably take him next weekend. Maybe. He better be a good boy. You excited?